Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add or visible a rectangle outline border using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a rectangle. I'll add border to this rectangle. First I click this tools option. Now select comment option. Now select your rectangle. Now click right button and select your properties. Properties dialog box open. Now click appearance option. As this border is still appearing here showing no border, and so we selected any border. This border color, let's use this border color, and this border thickness, and see this rectangle border now showing. And so we will select OK and close it. And while I select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comments.